coming to you live. interesting. We are trying to get some input here. Alright, so we are trying to get some input here. Alright, so we have yeah, we have some minor audio issues. Alright, so we are trying to get some. Okay, so seems like everything is good to go now. Now let us discuss the next press release, which is, yes, Foray Bioscience, a startup sowing the seeds for plantless plant products, today announced that it raised $3 million in seed funding. Led by ReGen Ventures, additional investors include the Engine Ventures, Susquehanna Sustainable Investments, Understorey Ventures, Superorganism, and others. The seed capital follows a pre-seed round and brings the company's total funding to $3.875 million. Foray will deploy the funds to expand its predictive plant cell culture platform, launch product development engagements with select partners, and expand its Boston-based team. All right. Sustainable Investments, Understorey Ventures, Superorganism, and others. The seed capital follows a pre-seed round and brings the company's total funding to $3.875 million. Foray will deploy the funds to expand its predictive plant cell culture platform, launch product development engagements with select partners, and expand its Boston-based team. All right. Sustainable Investments, Understorey Ventures, Superorganism, and others. The seed capital follows. All right. So now, moving forward with some interesting audio feedback here. Let's just keep going. What is ReGen Ventures? Let's just clarify ReGen Ventures because they are over in, I believe, Australia. Yeah, Byron Bay, New South Wales, Australia. ReGen Ventures, they partner with founders daring to build companies that will restore the planet. ReGen Ventures invest in regenerative technology companies created by wildly ambitious teams who want to radically transform our world for the better. So regenerative technology is inspired by nature, complementary to people, and actively addresses the most compelling challenges of our lifetimes, the health of people and our planet. Alrighty. The other parts of the press release include the Engine Ventures. So the Engine Ventures should be based in the United Kingdom, if that's correct. Engine Ventures should be. Let's just double check here. Right. Excuse me. Cambridge, Massachusetts. Cambridge, Massachusetts. Engine Ventures, Cambridge, Massachusetts, a venture firm that invests in early-stage, tough tech founders solving the most critical global challenges. A venture firm that invests in early-stage, tough tech founders solving our most critical global challenges. So, Foray Biosciences, a startup sowing the seeds for plantless plant products, announced $3.3 million. That was a few days back. And then we have Susquehanna Sustainable Investments. This one, of course, is a very big firm. Susquehanna International Group, SIG for short, is a global quantitative trading firm founded with a growth mindset and an analytical approach to decision making. So they are one of the largest proprietary trading firms in the world. They benefit the financial markets by providing liquidity and ensuring competitive prices for buyers and sellers. They bring together the brightest minds, the best technology, and the most expansive library of data in the industry. Design and implement quantitative trading strategies that make us leaders in the financial market beyond trading. Okay, so finally, we have Understorey Ventures. This is based in also Sydney, New South Wales. Using capital as a force for good to heal the planet, they are investing in critical solutions needed to restore planetary health. They are backing visionaries tackling climate and nature crisis with transformative ideas and technologies. Okay. And finally, for that press release, we have Superorganism, which is both New York City, I think, and San Francisco. They are the first venture firm dedicated to biodiversity. So you have Kevin and Tom leading the team for that firm, and nearly 4,000 followers on LinkedIn. Now, finally, we have that press release said they included several other in the press release. Now, wrapping up, we have Scout Lab, formerly known as S. Let's explain why that is, how that is. Okay. So, yeah, it should be okay. Let us wrap up here with one more press release. Scout Labs. Scout Labs had a press release on LinkedIn middle of last week. They said they are stoked to announce that they have successfully secured a $2 million seed round with investments from Interactive Ventures, Venture Partners, SVG Ventures / Thrive, DEPO Ventures, and Impact Ventures. So who are those people? Just to clarify, Scout Labs is based in Budapest, and this startup is helping millions of farmers worldwide in predicting insect pest populations before they destroy your crop yield. Now, the first company that was investing in them is Interactive Venture Partners. And Interactive Venture Partners is based in Connecticut, Greenwich, Connecticut, and they're dedicated to helping entrepreneurs achieve their ambitions. And then it actually mentions here, also in their intro, that their mission is to provide capital to Central, Eastern European ambitious innovators, entrepreneurs, and founders of startups, and in doing so, create wealth for them and for us as investors. So, Interactive Venture Partners is backed by entrepreneur Thomas Peterfy, founder and chairman of Interactive Brokers Group. Very interesting. Now, SVG Ventures / Thrive Agri-Food, was the second investor in this Central European startup. And they are a venture and innovation platform advancing a more sustainable future for the food and agriculture industries. Right, so SVG Ventures / Thrive is a global venture and innovation firm headquartered in the heart of Silicon Valley. They accelerate, invest, and work with entrepreneurs, investors, and Fortune 500 corporations to advance the future of food and agriculture through innovation. They were also part of the round. Moving on to venture capital number 3 listed in this article and press release would be DEPO Ventures, perhaps pronounced DEPO Ventures. This firm is based in Prague, Czech Republic, and they say founders first investor, powered by business angels. They focus on early stage startups from Central and Eastern Europe and also the Baltic region. So they manage hands-on angel funds with 25 portfolio companies and the International Syndicate of Investors, the DEPO Angels. So they say that they back rockstar technology founders from both Central and Eastern Europe as well as the Baltic regions, and they facilitate the investment process for business angels. Now, last but not least from this press release should be, let's see, is it Impact Ventures? Yeah, Impact Ventures. Now, Impact Ventures listed here is Budapest, Hungary, a special fund manager focusing on impact investments. And it says here, mission is to catalyze social impact by supporting and investing in social, small and medium enterprises in Europe with strong growth potential, addressing areas of social inclusion, education, employment, and health and environmental sustainability. They seek social innovation and scalable business models entwined in venture building solutions that truly matter. They aim to support them with their know-how, their network, their capital, and experience of their team of investors and experts. Now, one final point would be the press release from Blue Horizon. So, whoops, it should be right here. This is our last article for today. It's really an interesting article because it speaks to what's going on in another Swiss investment manager, and specifically the press release was just a few days ago on the 27th of June, and lo and behold, it is entitled Ag Funder Assumes Management Growth of Blue Horizon's $100 million Growth Fund. So, Silicon Valley, California, 27th of June, 2024. Leading agri-food tech venture capital and intelligence platform AgFunder has taken over investment management of Blue Horizon's Growth Fund. Blue Horizon, based in Zurich, is strategically refocusing on its core operational businesses to accelerate the global transition to a sustainable food system and has exited the investment advisory sector. So with AgFunder, Limited Partners LPs in the Growth Fund will gain access to AgFunder's extensive global network, which includes offices in Silicon Valley, London, and Singapore for AgFunder, and then will also experience continuity through a transitioning team of Blue Horizon. Great. So, additionally, LPs will benefit from the resources provided by AgFunder News, of course, comprehensive research, and the GAIA, AgFunder's proprietary database and AI platform, which includes over 60,000 ag tech and food tech startups. So, that is interesting. That's been something that's been recently added to the mix, but it's good to see that AgFunder is expanding, and then Blue Horizon has been on our radar for quite a while. If we were to just check here our database from several years back, it says here, yeah, they based in Zurich, strategically refocusing their core operational businesses. So ESG venture capital firm, and now AgFunder is taking over their fund management duties. Now, with that being said, we are done for the day with our press releases and our venture capital funding for this week. I want to thank everybody who was able to join us either live or after the fact. And we will be on our way with more activities and more updates in the near future. I'm wishing everybody a good day, good afternoon, and have